Good day, this is Crypto Cyborg, bringing you bits and bytes of crypto. Just a quick disclaimer guys, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just sharing my personal experience, viewpoints and findings with you. Please also do your own due diligence. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at Zcash, Cardano, BTC, MicroStrategy, Avanti, Coinbase, Iran, Bank of Thailand, Huawei, Tezos, BTC Treasuries, Binance, Voatz and the passive income crypto platforms I'm in. Okay, Zcash is doing a halving around 18th of November. Guys, if you're a trader or if you hodl this, the price usually goes up before and down just before or afterwards, so beware. Cardano Goguen Program Roadmap. The Goguen will make Cardano full smart contract. DEDI, Decentralized Identification. Tamper-proof supply chain rewards. And on a demo, the ERC20 converter quickly converted AGI tokens in a MetaMask wallet to tokens on a Cardano blockchain. This will create competition for Ethereum blockchain, especially with the high gas fees currently. BTC, Bitcoin's almost 100 days above above 10,000 K dollars now. It slid about 4% earlier this week as the Bank of America predicted a 20% stock market crash due to the USA elections. If Biden wins, it will be contested and obviously it will impact the market accordingly. Fintech startup Mode Global Holdings announced it's become the first publicly listed company in the UK to adopt BTC as a Treasury reserve asset. MicroStrategy, the CEO Michael Sonnenschein personally owns $240 million worth of Bitcoin, over and above the actual company's $430 million worth of Bitcoin. MicroStrategy announced that they want to buy some more Bitcoin. Their $425 million Bitcoin increased to $521 million, up 22% by 100 million in just 4 weeks. That's a massive gain, guys. Avanti, it's the second bank to deal in fiat and crypto assets, cryptocurrencies, after Kraken got the first one. Both banks are based in Wyoming. So there's a lot of adoption happening, and as you can see, Bitcoin is widely accepted, more widely accepted during this year. So I think next year, 2021, is going to be a great year for all cryptocurrencies. Grayscale report, they did a report on US investors' interest. They asked the question, when did you buy BTC? Well, in 2019, 36% bought, and in 2020, 55%. As you can see, there's a general increase of about 20% already. 38% bought in the past 4 months, 26% in the past 5 to 6 months, 19% 7 to 12 months ago, and 17% more than 1 year ago. Then I asked the adoption consideration and I looked at different age groups. As far as adoption goes, the age group of 25 to 44 years old, there was adoption rate of 68%. The age of 45 to 54, 56%, and age of 55 to 64, 30%. Grayscale just bought 72,000 worth of ETH. They now have 2.13% of the total ETH supplies. Guys, if you haven't watched some of my previous videos, Grayscale is a massive company that's been buying big into crypto for the last couple of months. Coinbase was down again as usual during the BTC bull run, leaving traders not being able to capitalize on the bull run. I think they're scammers because this happens over and over again. They're $1 billion company and apparently cannot sort the issues. They're launching their crypto credit card currently. Iran, Bitcoin miners in Iran have a new buyer, the central bank. So that's huge, guys, when the central bank starts buying your Bitcoin being mined in your own country. Another adoption. Bank of Thailand, they use enterprise Ethereum for retail, CBDC, central bank digital currency, prototype with consensus. Proof of concept for the digital currency, which is the BACT, and ERC20 smart contracts used. Consensus worked with 6 central banks, of which some of them are Hong Kong, MAS South Africa, and the Banque de France. Huawei, they've got a new smartphone that have hardware wallet for the digital yuan. It's the Mate 40. They can transfer money between users just touching the phones together, even if they are offline. Tezos, Audi, BMW and Porsche approached Tezos. The reason, Tezos got the ability to easily make changes to the code without a hard fork. It's fast and able to make hundreds of transactions per second. And it will be used to validate the firmware installed in these vehicles. The BTC Treasuries, they revealed that publicly traded companies increased their BTC holdings from $6.9 billion to $10.7 billion this past month of October. Once again, guys, more adoption and bigger increase in holdings. Binance Global created Binance USA for regulatory reasons, as the USA don't allow high-level crypto derivatives trading. Now they want to move the revenue back to Binance Global. Customers will be taught how to evade geographic restrictions while technological workarounds are put into place. Voatz, this is a new platform where basically you can do voting on a blockchain through an online app. They target not specifically the following, but just to give an example, they target the elderly, the disabled, people deployed overseas, caregivers and the busy like doctors and nurses and can't make it to stand in long queues at the voting polls. It's anonymous, yet it can be audited on a blockchain. Okay, then passive income platforms I'm in. Okay, as you can see, there's MTI at 2%. It's still going strong. They're not on the back foot anyhow, whichever, after the recent media and our FSCA that got a court order to confiscate some of their cell phones and laptops to have a look at the internals of the company. Qubitech still going strong at 5.5%, Cash FX at 6%, Fundamente 6 to 7.85%, Vitalium at 6%, PGI, which is a great company, guys. Not a lot of my followers are in this. Please have a look at it. I've done a detailed video, very good platform. Impulse X, also quite fairly a new platform. Don't be fooled by the low 2.6% return, because they have a binary structure, but it's on levels. It's not a left and right leg. So the sooner you get in, you'll get spill over from everybody coming in below you, whether it's your own referrals or somebody above you. Bytex at 5.25%, and then the very recent one I've just launched a video yesterday is Bittles, which gives you 7% to 15%. Now guys, this is a great platform. Go have a look at the video. It's a bit long, it's 28 minutes around, but I've gone into a lot of detail. You'll be quite surprised on what this platform offers. Check out my videos. If you're interested in any of these platforms I'm in, my referral links are on my link tree below. Okay guys, that's it for this week. As you all know, this is just a relaxed feedback of the highlights and the crypto news for the past week. If you want to have a look at any of the details, please go and Google the specifics and read the articles. I just give you the highlights. Well, that's it, guys. If this was helpful and informative, please hit the like button. Also share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for future news and updates. Below is a link to subscribe to my Telegram channel for future news and instant updates. And as I said, have a look at my link tree. It will take you to all the platforms I'm in. And lastly, guys, never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always do your own due diligence. That's it, guys. Have a great day. Ciao for now. Cyborg signing out.